shorts. Si quieren ver cómo me convertí en una princesa, en una sirena for the first time, watch this video. It's gonna be very interesting. Follow on. So, ya tengo el video listo al cual I'm gonna be reacting and recreating el mermaid look. Como todos saben, no soy muda ni nada por el estilo, nor even close to that. So, vamos a ver cómo me queda esto. Continuing with this Halloween vibe. Ella dice que va a estar utilizando todos los productos de NYX Cosmetics. I have none. We'll do it on a budget and con lo que tenga. Vamos a ver cómo sale. Y comenzamos. Ya tengo toda la cara lista, by the way. Ya hoy tengo mi base, prebase, por eso I look crazy. Pero vamos a empezar. No te mandas solo YouTube, no. Ok, se manda solo, se pausa solo también, great. Horas de intro.
Hey guys, welcome back. This look was inspired by my friend Lacey, who does mermaid makeup on a regular basis for an organization called Project Mermaid.
Lo voy a adelantar.
They help raise
Abajo les voy a dar el
awareness
link del video que utilicé.
by photographing celebrities dressed up as mermaids. So their website has a ton of...
Ok, aquí se está haciendo la cara. Ya avancé y hice todo eso.
I know it looks like I'm applying. Because I used such creamy products underneath the eye, I'm just setting that
Becca.
If
I could afford Becca.
Duo in chocolate. But now that I'm watching this footage, I kind of wish I would have filled in my brows with a blue.
Oh, let me do my brows. Yo uso un lápiz súper económico. Sí, so básicamente no me se hace las cejas. So lo que más hago es que me relleno para que no se vean vacías. That's it. Esta parte de Genesis la puedes adelantar, cortar y poner algún meme, no sé.
2000 years later. The next day.
Bueno, como pueden ver, ya me terminé las cejas, lo que digo yo que me hago con las cejas. Y ahora vamos a seguir con el tutorial de la compañera por acá.
Feel free to incorporate that when recreating this look. To really make the shadows pop, I'm going to start by applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in electric blue closest to the lash line.
Ok, so ella se está aplicando un Jumbo NYX, un color azul. Yo no tengo eso, so we're using this. Es de una marca supremamente random. I shouldn't be putting this on my face, but I am for the sake of the video. So let's do this. ¡Ah! Ya le metí el dedo. Voy a utilizar una brocha que parece un crayón. Vamos a really get into this. Wow, tanto polvo. Ya lo estoy poniendo aquí. Aquí. Vamos a ver. This is gonna be a mess. No sé por qué me vestí de blanco. A true mess. It's a lack of pigment for me. Vamos a ver qué sigue. Mientras que yo...
I'm just going to blend it out towards my
we need to blend.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
The first shot I'm going to be using is Mermaid. So perfect for this look. By
Vamos a pausar. Voy a agregar más porque la verdad mi lápiz o mi sombra no pigmenta como eso. So we gotta give it a minute here. Okay. As you guys may notice, I have no cameraman today. O sea, hoy me falta mi grabadora estrella. So, voy a hacer mis propios zooms. Dije. This is a look already. Seguimos. Ok. Después de agregar el azul, she's moving on to another NYX cosmetic shadow that I don't have called Mermaid. Vamos a improvisar duramente. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Ya lo estoy bajando. Ay, Dios mío. Estoy haciendo lo que me da la gana, como pueden ver.
Yo hago lo que me da la gana.
So much for recreating the look. Vamos a ver.
It's one of their prismatic eyeshadows, and I'm going to be packing
She
that
doesn't
on
look like
top of
this.
the cream shadow stick using Smith Brush 235.
Okay. What is a Smith brush?
I'm also going to be using the NYX Avant Pop eyeshadow palette to complete the rest of the look. So I'm going to start first by applying the emerald green shadow.
Okay, so uso un shadow que es bien disque tornasol. Tornasol. Props to my best friend for gifting me this. I think. No, look this way. No. Ok, tengo un desastre aquí. Desastres. Ya sé que puedo utilizar que te parezca. Aquí tengo un shock shadow de Essence X. Super sucio. But this is gonna make the work. Porque se parece bastante a lo que ella está utilizando. So, vamos a agregar esto aquí. Ella se lo está agregando. Ok, that's not it. But well, it's gonna have to make the work. And agregamos. Okay, it's the lack of materials for me. Porque ese que ella tenía que se llama Mermaid is really looking like a mermaid, even though I've never seen a mermaid before. But it makes the trick. This looks quite good as well. O sea, combina, obviamente, es plateado con celeste platinado. The lack of knowledge. Girl. Está fluyendo, está fluyendo. ¿Ustedes lo ven? ¿Ustedes lo ven? Yo no lo veo. Se ve un poco. Ahí está. So, para el siguiente color que estoy utilizando, feel very proud to have it. No creo que la brocha que voy a utilizar es la más indicada, but this is not a makeup tutorial. Ella está utilizando un teal para darle profundidad. Profundity. That's not even a word. O sea, me jacto de que nada más me la paso hablando en inglés y no sé cuál es la palabra para profundidad. Girl. Ok, whatever. Ustedes saben lo que estoy diciendo. Vamos a agregarlo aquí. Tengo que mirar la cámara. Wow, let me look at the... ¿Están viendo el desastre? Great, I'm seeing it. Lo estoy viendo en 5D. Terminamos con la profundidad y con el color Alleged Mermaid, que es el mío, en el Chrome Shockwave. Este es still the look. Debo confesar, este video lo vi twice. Igual todavía no puedo recrear. Turning into a mermaid is not that easy, but we're making it. Vamos a ver con qué más sigue después de la profundidad. Yo lo pausé. Lista.
And really focus on pulling that eyeshadow out towards the hairline, almost like in a V shape.
I didn't do that. I totally didn't do that. Almost in a V shape.
Using
Okay.
the Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to start blending those
Sigma.
eyeshadows together and also further pull that shadow out towards the hairline. Next product is what I believe really makes this entire look. It's the Makeup Forever Star Powder in white turquoise, or number 944. And I'm going to be applying this all over my face, but for now I'm applying it to the tear duct using Smith Brush 230. And definitely don't hesitate to blend.
Ok, si algún día encuentro una brocha que esté limpia, first of all, y dice que le agregamos un polvo blanco, Tear Just, which I don't have, of course, so I don't even know what is Makeup Forever, pero we're mixing this. Ya sé, en una sombra verde, esa es la que vamos a utilizar. Le va a hacer, ok, no se nota, la verde, wow, que no pigmenta nada, literal. Este verde es más o menos la que voy a utilizar, o voy a tratar de utilizar en todo el look. ¡Qué desastre! No se ve mal. ¿Le gusta? A mí no. Para mí sí. Me gusta. No se ve tan mal. O sea, ni siquiera se nota los colores. Digo yo. Yo no veo nada. I have way too...
Fun part, we're going to go back all over our face. Well, not really. We're going to apply it to the high points of our face, exactly like you would a highlighter. And I'm going to do that using Smith Brush 112. I decided to highlight first because I wanted whatever.
So, the next part es que yo debo iluminarme la cara, angle brush, con el azul que utilicé acá en el medio de los ojos. Do you even know how to put on highlight? Voy a utilizar la paleta de Root Cosmetics City of Neon. Nunca lo he usado. Y tienen ahí un color llamado 500 Days of Glamour. basically my life, and we're going in. Oh my god, it's gonna look better. Trust the process. Wow. And I have this. Dun, 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 dun. Let's continue. $4 fishnet. This was $1, so we're winning.
I got these for $4 at the Halloween store. And start with a pretty small fishnet because we are going to be stretching it out to really make the scales pop on the skin.
Don't have that, but we're going in with the shockwave again. Que es bastante pigmented. That's a word I've learned in this makeup journey. Go off sis, go off with the scales. Siento que no puedo respirar.
So I'm
Pone a abrir el ojo.
over the fishnets using the Sigma P88 brush.
Didn't
I'm
do
just
that.
doing a little patting motion over the area where I want the scales to be. Once you're
Did that
done,
already.
pull back the fishnet to just see that you're on the right track. And
All
sugar,
already. Let's
so
see.
I'm tight over those areas. And
So I guess you guys shouldn't do that
one thing
much.
I really want to mention is that if you pull back the fishnet and then try going back over it again, you might be going over a certain area.
It's a no for me. We're doing lashes. Just gonna do my regular lashes. Porque si este look ya es un desastre, si yo me pongo a agregarle pestañas, créanme que el desastre va a ser 16,000 veces más. It's the lack of scales for me, o sea, se ve un poco, but ya entiendo por qué utilizó unas chiquititas. Esta estaba muy grande. I think that's it.
Box that had the name on it. And I was originally going to apply these really crazy lashes that almost looked like gills, but they kept falling off, so I decided not to use them. 2 NYX macaroon lippies in Scandalous and Stone Cold. Apply the green one first, and then...
Being that no tengo... Tú sabes que uno puede hacer un labial, ¿no?
¿Qué estás inventando?
We're gonna make it work. Oh yes, we are. Oh, is it iridescent? Very iridescent type of tease. If this couldn't get any more ghetto, now I'm gonna be applying craft glitter. All glitter, all everything.
In Mystic to my waterline using Smith Brush 212.
I have none of that. ¿Se acuerdan de este?
Done.
It looks
I
like
wish I could
this.
tell you guys I did something crazy with my hair to get it to look like this, but this is my natural hair texture, so all I did was take it out.
Esto es el final look, as you all can see. Terrible. But we all knew that that was going to happen. And thank you for watching this. Subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.
Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me.
Cover girl, put the bass in your work. Head to toe, let your whole body work. Ah, me pongo con la batería.